In this video we will explain how to set up your service account and install TireView Live into the Geotab Go device. For this installation you will need the Geotab IOX RS232F harness, the TireView Live AMP to DB9 harness and the TireView Live receiver. To set up the service account, log in to My Geotab and navigate to Administration. Select Users. Then select Add. You will then need to complete several steps to install the solution add-in. It is best to follow along in the implementation manual. You can find this for download at the P.S.I. TireView Live Solutions page on the Geotab Marketplace. Please reference pages 5 through 10 of the guide for detailed step-by-step instructions to install the add-in. Note, in one step, you will need to copy the JSON code from the PDF guide and paste into the configuration to replace the existing sample code. After the service account is set up, you will install the TireView Live and Geotab Go device hardware. First, we will locate the Geotab Go device. It may be necessary to remove trim panels, kick panels, or dash panels to locate the Geotab Go device plugged into the vehicle's OBD port. Install the Geotab IOX RS232F harness into the Go device using the mini USB port. Connect the TireView Live harness to the IOX RS232F harness using the DB9 connectors. Plug the AMP connector into the TireView Live receiver. Splice the 12-volt positive red and 12-volt negative black wires together on both harnesses. Tidy up any loose wiring, then secure the newly installed hardware. For system operating instructions, refer to page 12 of the TireView Live and Geotab Marketplace Implementation Manual. For additional resources, visit psitirinflation.com/resources and view the other PDF manuals available for TireView and TireView Live.